While the US aid funding controversy continues to play out in the United States of America, there's a massive political storm brewing in India as well. The Bharatiya Janata Party has now doubled down on the opposition, on Congress, saying that they used those funds while Rahul Gandhi was making his remarks on foreign soil. The Congress party has rejected those remarks, calling it absolutely nonsensical. Here's a report.
Can you imagine all that money going to India? I wonder what they think when they get it. Now, it's a kickback scheme. You know, it's not like they get it and they spend. They kick it back to the people that send it, I would say, in many cases.
US President Donald Trump hints at foreign interference in India once again, claiming the Joe Biden administration allocated $21 million to top raise voter turnout. Trump suggested it could be a kickback scheme.
And $21 million for voter turnout in India. Why are we caring about India turnout? We got enough problems. We want our own turnout, don't we? Can you imagine all that money going to India? I wonder what they think when they get it. Now, it's a kickback scheme. You know, it's not like they get it and they spend. They kick it back to the people that send it, I would say, in many cases, many of these cases.
The Congress, citing newspaper reports, claimed that US aid allocated $21 million for voter turnout to Bangladesh and not India. The BJP rejected the news report. And Rahul Gandhi to foreign meddling, flagging his speeches in London last year.
तो विदेश में भारत के लोकतंत्र को कमजोर करने का षड्यंत्र कर रहे थे और राहुल गांधी अपील कर रहे थे कि बड़े लोकतांत्रिक देश भारत के लोकतंत्र को सफल करने में मदद करें, मतलब राहुल गांधी को जिताने में मदद करें। उनको वोट नहीं मिलता, हार जाते हैं बार-बार।
BJP sources claim US aid gave $204 million to the UPA government between 2004 to 2013, while Indian NGOs were given over $2,000 million. Sources also claim US aid funding stopped after 2015 and the NDA government just received $1.5 million while funding to NGOs increased to over $2,500 million. The BJP sources allege this hike in NGO funding coincided with Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra in 2022. The Congress denied the foreign interference charge, demanding the Modi government release a white paper on where the funds were used.
ये भारत में जो चुनावी प्रक्रिया है, इसमें हस्तक्षेप करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा था और ऐसा क्यों किया जाना चाहिए? मोदी जी से नफरत करते करते वो अब भारत से नफरत करने लगे, यहां के नागरिकों से वो नफरत करने लगे। मोदी जी को वो अपनी क्षमता से, जो उनकी लोकप्रियता बची नहीं है, उससे हरा नहीं सकते, इसलिए विदेशी ताकतों का वो सहारा लेते हैं।
ये तो यूक्रेन से लेकर और पता नहीं कहां पूरे विश्व में जाकर तिकड़मे लगाते हैं। कभी सुनते हैं विदेशों में कुछ कर दिया कांड, कई तिकड़मे लगा रहे होते हैं। तो जब इतनी तिकड़मे आप विदेशों में लगाते हो, आपके देश में $21 मिलियन आया तो ये तो आपके चेहरे पे तमाचा। फिर बोलते नहीं 2012 में जब यूपीए की सरकार थी तब आया था, तो 14 का रिजल्ट जो आपका पक्ष में आया, क्या आप उस पैसे से जीते?
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar too chimed in, claiming Trump revealed the plot to manipulate and taint India's electoral process.
पता लगाना चाहिए वो कौन लोग हैं जिन्होंने इस प्रकार के आक्रमण को स्वीकार किया, हमारे प्रजातांत्रिक मूल्यों के ऊपर इतना बड़ा कुठाराघात किया। उन ताकतों पर प्रतिघात करना हमारा राष्ट्र धर्म है।
Donald Trump's big charge has triggered a big fight in India. Did the United States meddle in our elections? Bureau Report, India Today.